My name is Delyth. I am the Apprentice of the Year, Coleg Cymraeg, Cenedlaethol. The reason I did an apprenticeship was after doing my NVQ3 in business admin, I thought it was a natural step to take my education further, and also it was a good way of helping myself in the office to give me more confidence as well. I work in Gwynedd Council in the support services, so we support different departments around the council, and it's a very fun job and I really do enjoy it. Work has been very supportive of my course. They've been really good and they've helped me throughout the whole experience. They've been very flexible, and also they've enjoyed watching me enjoying the course as well. So they've watched me progress from the beginning, and they just really enjoy it, and they're happy that I've done it as well. The assessors were amazing. They were always there to help you. They were very supportive, and to be honest, they were more than assessors. They became more friends in the end because we were all having so much fun doing the course, and it was just such a really good experience. I would highly recommend for people to try it, and it's a good way to better yourself, and also it will help you in the future with your career.